We are Aqua Mould Systems, or AMS for short. We're a technology company and we have patented technology in the oyster industry. We're just in the phase of moving from prototyping to commercialisation. We've got all the machinery up to speed and robust, and we're now at the stage where we're looking for licensees around the globe. And it's hopefully not going to be a secret for any longer. We've patented the method of growing shellfish. It consists of putting bivalves into what we call a pod, which is a mould. It then grows into the shape of the mould, giving us uniformity, which lends itself well to automation. We also have the ability to have any type of alphanumeric, written or pictorial material inside that pod. So when you pop it out, it's got the brand in the shell. People want to know where things are grown, how they're grown, who grew them, what flavours to expect. So we can add all that. The oyster spat, they go into these strips of 8 placements, and that will go through a machine and be cut into singles, and that then will fall down into a stocking. Once they're in the stocking, they go out to sea and they spend about 2 weeks out there, and what that does is it allows them to cement to the placement. There's no need to use glues, it's all just a natural process. Then we'll bring them back to the factory and clip them into the pods, and then the pods are clipped into the trays and then they're deployed back out into the ocean. With conventional methods, it normally takes about 12 to 14 months from start to finish to be able to harvest a mature oyster. Our method takes 9 months. The main reason for this is that they're floating, so they're feeding 24/7, and also they're not getting flipped over all the time and getting the shell broken. So they're not having to repair, they're just continuously growing. So the speed that they grow is phenomenal. Some of the main advantages would include the ability to increase the yield. So we've got 5 layers of trays under a float which house 45 dozen, so a lot more yield per acre. We don't have to wait for low tide to access the hardware. And also we've removed all the back breaking work, so it's a lot easier to retain staff. We're really excited. We've just sort of moved over from that prototyping to commercialisation. Really happy with how our hardware is performing and the end result, and now we're at the stage where we want to get it out there, and hopefully a lot of farmers can enjoy what we're enjoying, and that's a great product.